Hi Bloombox fans, this is David with Bloombox. Today I'm going to go over our DIY porch kits, the bronze and blue kit. This is actually, I think, our #1 seller last year. It's very simple design, but it's going to give you color well into October, most likely well past Halloween. It's going to look like somebody professionally designed your pots for the fall. So this kit's going to include 6 plants, your thriller being the Pennisetum fireworks, and this grass is going to continue to grow and become much more lush and full. You're going to get 2 cabbages as your filler. You also get 2 nice orange mums, still with tight buds. These are going to bloom into September and October. Really give a nice contrast against this purplish blue foliage of the cabbage, and you're going to get some English ivy to spill out over your front. I'm using a 14-inch round pot. This seems to be the standard size of most porch pots. I would recommend anywhere from 12 to 16 inches for this. I always like to start with my highest plant, my foundation plant in the back, this being my thriller. Since this is a round pot, I'm going to place this in the back center. I always like to place these out without their pots, without really planting much soil in. And you can have fun with this. Just space them out as you see fit. I always go for more uniformity in mine, but you don't have to. This one I'm going to place one of the orange mums in the back. And one up here, and I'll be able to add my spiller. And this ivy is going to last you all year. It'll look good for your nice Christmas porch pots. All right, and then I'm just going to add soil to adjust the height of any of the plants, make sure they're nice and uniform. You can use it to, if you want your cabbages or kales to face out, feel free. This is more of a decorative. You're not worrying about these plants roasting in the heat of the summer. I always like to give this some angle out. So these cabbages are going to spill out, continue growing well past the first frost. And this container is going to look full well into Thanksgiving. All right, there you have it, one of our most popular kits, the Bronze and Blue Autumn Kit.